today, right, I'm so excited because I need to show you this. I just received my most luxurious products, right? Ding 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 ding. This one, which is the Youthfinity Serum. I just received this Youthfinity range. I just received this eye cream. Oh, look at this! It's so luxurious, right? You know what I used to do? I used to be with La Mer, and then this is so La Mer. Okay, and then this is Youthfinity cream. Oh my god, are you excited? So I'm gonna unbox this in front of you guys. I never so excited like macam like this is like Christmas like that. So I'm unboxing in front of you guys to show you how luxurious this product is. Alright, and then I want to try it. I just received it, so I'm so excited, you know. And then I can't believe I just received this most luxurious cream on earth. Okay, as we all know, right? Okay, I remember I told you earlier on. Okay, these products, right? All these three products, the serum, look at this. It's so luxurious. You see, you slide it out, and then you open. Look at that! It's like a little Christmas present for yourself. Okay, and then you see this one. This eye cream, right, has a little bit of spatula inside. Ding 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 ding. This one, okay, the Youthfinity eye cream, and look how luxurious it is. Ta-da! Jiang 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 jiang. Okay, then after that, right? Okay, I'm gonna use my spatula and show you how luxurious it is. Can you see the spatula? So cute. This is really similar to the previous brand that I was doing. So, and then you don't put too much, you just put a little bit. It's very creamy and luxurious. So it's more suitable for women who is about 45 and above, right? Or unless you have very serious dark eye circles and lines and puffiness, right? So this is suitable for you. And it's very light fragrance. See, it absorbs very quickly. A little bit goes a long way. So this one will last you for about 6 months because it's so luxurious, right? Can you see? So nice, right? I could immediately see the difference on my hand. Like this part, I have more wrinkles here, right? And then here is much more firmer. And then the color is also different. Yeah? Okay, good. So next, right, I'm going to show you. Then after that, right, you must wipe off, yeah, with your tissue paper. Okay, then you can use again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you later how to use, but I'm so excited to share with you the unboxing first. Then next, right, we have the Youthfinity cream. Okay, and then look at that, so luxurious. Okay, and then there's also a spatula for the moisturizer. Oops. Smells so good. Very light fragrance as well, and I'm going to use my spatula. Look at that, it's all 22 karat plated gold. Okay, so you just have to unbox this peel off here. Okay, and then a little bit goes a long way. Let me test on my, can you see? It's so light and it's so luxurious. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I will get this, right, for when I travel overseas, cold country, you know, because it's so luxurious and it helps to do firming, extra firming. It helps to do contouring, extra contouring and hydration up to 16 hours. It's so light. And I could feel the luxurious of this product. It's really very good for your neck and for your face, so it helps to firm up and contour. So I'm going to show you, right, how I'm going to use it now. So I'm going to first use my eye cream. So actually, right, it doesn't matter whether you use your eye cream first or whether you use your face cream first, but for when you are in the cold weather, okay, this is suitable for all skin type, okay, especially if you're 45 years old and above, right, the sebum production on your face, right, is not so much anymore, so I recommend that you use this one. It's so luxurious that you can use it every day and night, okay, For women, right, who is going through menopause, you will love this because when you're going through menopause, right, you will have extremely dry skin. So this one will really improve your skin texture and then your eye texture as well, because normally as you age, right, I see how my mom suffered the menopause, right? It's really, you feel hot flush and then you get agitated very easily, and then your face is very, very dry because your women, right, we have two hormonal hormones. We have the progesterone and we have the estrogen. So as you age, you're going through the menopause, right, you will experience some dryness on the face and the eye area. And then I have clients who say that, ever since I go through this menopausal symptom, right, I find that my skin does not absorb anything. So I will recommend that you do your treatment first, the dehydrated skin treatment that I recommend on this link on my YouTube later. I'll put it here. And then, then you do this treatment. You do my dry skin treatment for about twice a week. Then you do this, you'll see that your skin really improves a lot. You will really see a big difference on your face. You look younger and 5 to 10 years younger. If you remember, I took a picture with my president, Mr. Kay Chua. He is actually using Youthfinity facial oil. He is actually in his 60s, but he looks so young, right? I mean, he looks like 50s, he looks still very, very good. So let me repeat again, right? For the Youthfinity range, right, what do they have? They have the Alpen Rose, as I mentioned earlier. It helps the skin resist damage from external stressor, because as you reach menopause, right, this one men and women can use, yeah. As you reach menopausal symptom, right, your progesterone, your estrogen go down. As we age, right, we have more wrinkles, we have saggy skin, we have no more collagen. So this one will actually help to plump up your face as well. And then Alpen Rose, right, thrives in extreme harsh conditions, high altitudes, intense UV exposure, frost and extreme dryness of the Swiss Alps. So due to an exceptional concentration of potent protective molecules, right, its resilience is so powerful it can live as long as 100 years. So you can see that we actually capture this molecule, right, through a secret extraction process, right, that will boost your skin resistance and can help protect your beauty against the free radicals. Okay, so basically, right, and then on top of that, it has evening primrose inside. We all know that evening primrose, right, is so good for the skin as well. Evening primrose, right, helps to rejuvenate the skin matrix. When you have normal skin type, right, your skin matrix structure is like this. If you don't have very good skin matrix, right, it means you have maybe dehydrated skin, your open pores, and then your face looks saggy, right. So your skin matrix pattern is all over the place. It's not like this. If you look at your skin here, if it's healthy, right, you will see like square structure on the skin. Yeah, so that's why this evening primrose oil will help to also give you healthy skin and rejuvenate the skin matrix. That means your skin matrix will be so hydrated, so firm, right, and then it helps to lift up. Then you don't have to go for those PDRN treatment as injections or those collagen threads threading anymore. Okay, and lastly, this one has infinite peptide. It's our very, very high-end anti-aging stressor ingredient that we use, right. It helps to retain your skin youthful beauty look. If you look at my national director Grace Cow, she's 60 years old this year, but she doesn't look like 60. She's looking so good, and then she's using this one for about many years already, because Singapore, we just launched we're going to launch next month. So that's why all of our national director would have tried the products 1 year or 2 years ago. So I'm so excited when I received this. So I'm going to show you how do I use this one. So a little bit goes a long way. Okay, so it really, when you if you have any friends going through menopausal, you can actually recommend them using this Youthfinity eye cream, or 45 years old and above. So just use a little bit. Eye cream, not to use a lot, just use a little bit, and then just go upwards. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So this is how we use, and then you can use this like this as well. So this one is rounded, so it actually helps to massage it in, and it helps to do lifting as well. Okay, and then because I put too much already, I better sweep upwards. Okay, so in the cold country, if you travel, you bring this, you will love it. I'm going London this November, so I'm going to bring this just nice. Okay. So for me, let me see. Actually, right, my right eye is always much more droopy than my left eye, but you can see right now it's so firm compared to here. Here you can see a bit of curve, a bit of puffiness here, so it actually depuff your eyes as well, and it helps to do firming. Oh my god, I love this one. This is my favorite eye cream. So if you do this right, you will. So those with extreme dark circles also, I'll recommend it as well. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside so that I can do the other. I can do the face also. I'll show you the other side. Okay, please be patient with me because I just want to show you the effect of using this. So for face, right, because recently, because my mom goes through menopause at 55, so those women who has, those of you, okay, I'm just using this one without the Youthfinity serum, okay? For those who maybe your period comes like 11, 12 years old, so you may have your menopause starts earlier, like in 50. So actually, I'm a bit scared that I may have the early menopausal symptom. Okay, you can also apply on your neck. So for me, right, I'm going to show you. I'm not going to use my hand to massage. I'm going to use my sonic brush, the facial massage head to do it. Okay, so right now, if you want to know, there's promotion for the cleansing brush and this skin invigorate brush. So make use of the promotion if you can. Okay, so you will love it. Okay, then after that, right, I will massage it in. I'll use it on my neck first. You can also, if you don't want to use the machine, it's fine. You can use the face lifting massage that I teach in the YouTube. I'm going to put the link as well so you can see. So you got time, you do like 5 to 10 times. For combination to oily skin, right, if you are 45 years old and above and you find that you have dry skin, right, I would strongly recommend that you use this one. Yeah, this is very good for menopausal women really. You will love this. So I can see straight away. You can see here I have a bit of fine lines for my Faling one, right? Okay, maybe. But then here no more already. So you can see how effective the cream is, right? It actually helps to firm up your skin so much, and then your eyes not so puffy anymore, and not the eye bags. If you have eye bags, right, then it will not be so puffy and will lift up everything. So if you are facing similar problems like menopausal symptoms, right, come and try this product with me. You will love it. I think you get to order next month. And then if you really love this product, right, you will love this product. You will never regret using this one. I promise you that. And then my client, right, who has she's about 45 and she has pimples, everything. But when she was using the Youthfinity serum, right, for about 1 month already, she loves it. And then the pimples start to disappear. You know, a lot of times, right, when you have problem on the skin, right, it's because your skin not hydrated enough. So if you're 45, you have a bit of pimples here and there, right, you still can use our Youthfinity range. And she also mentioned that she loves our product so much, right, and I can see a big difference on her face. Her face becomes so firm and very V, you know. And then she said that her own client have noticed, but they don't dare to ask her. And it's so funny lah. But anyway, she loves it, and she's now a regular clientele of me, of Youthfinity range. So if you want to try the products, right, PM me, and then I'll be much happier to share with you this product, and you know, and then you can consider trying the products. No obligation, just try. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.